What is up, guys? My name is Bobo, and welcome back to my channel. As soon as I stand in front of the door, this is what you're gonna see. Flat screen TV on the table. This is a wooden table. Let's check out in here. There's some storage in here. And then this one is the fridge. And then over there, there is a sofa with a very nice table, glasses on top. And this is the window, big window. And where is the room? I meant, where is the bath? This is the bath. Very nice sheet. I like this pattern in here. Beautiful, nice color, and take a look at the towel in here. Very nice, decorated. And there are about 6 pillows here all together. And then this is the nightstand, 2 nightstands, and then air conditioner is on the top over there. And this is the light on the ceiling. And then over here there is a desk, wooden desk with some drawer, 1 chair, mineral water, kettle, and then there is a mirror here as well. And this is the window to the toilet. So this room, it has 2 windows. One is over there and the other one is over there. Well, I'm gonna take you to the bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom. This is the door to the bathroom. It's pretty cool. It's kind of sliding door. Let me open the door. The door is open. I'm in the bathroom right now, and this is the closet. Very nice closet. And very nice faucet as well. And to the right there's the rain shower. This is the rain shower. There's some plant here. I don't know what kind of trees or plant of this one. And this one is the toilet. Toilet paper, hose, and there is a single sink here. Single sink and the mirror. And the closet is over here to my right. This is the closet. Let me open one of the window. I mean, the door. The door is open. And I'm gonna close the door again. It's such a big closet, and there is a ladder here. I don't know what is this for. Well, this is the room, and this room is called Deluxe. Well, everybody, this is my video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to keep smiling.